Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim with Quiet Lawn and the Green Helpers, back with another tip for today, especially for those who use Yardbook. So in Yardbook, to stay on top of payments, we recommend getting credit card on files. But I know some of you guys do business by sending invoices, collecting check or cash. In those cases, what you need to do is, after a service is completed, you send an invoice typically to the customer, letting them know what their invoice was, how much the charge for the service was, and it's the customer's job to pay for the invoice through a check or maybe online, whatever it is. But you need to stay on top of that, because sometimes customers, they get distracted, they forget about the invoice, and you get behind payments, and that in turn kind of impacts your business and how you manage your cash flow. So to stay on top of payments, first and foremost, I would recommend getting credit card on files, and then having that control over charging your customers yourself. But if you don't, if you do send invoices, it's important to set up invoice reminders to send to customers in case they forget to pay you. So in Yardbook, there's a neat little feature called automatic invoice reminder. You can just type in yardbook.com/reminder_rules. I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can just click on it, and it will push you down to the screen that you see on my screen right now, the page on my screen right now. What you need to do is just click on enable auto reminders, and here you can kind of set custom rules as to when the reminder should be sent. So Yardbook even has templates of what the email should look like, and the frequency. So send the first email after 5 days, send the second email after 15 days, third email after 60 days. So maybe I would change them to 2 days, and then I would change them to 5 days, because the sooner or the more frequent these emails are, the better your chances of getting paid on time. You don't want to delay payment by forever because your customer just forgot. So yeah, even Yardbook even does the templates in a way that are more effective. So the first one is just email invoice payment reminder. The second one is invoice payment reminder important, and the last one is invoice payment reminder final. And if this is not enough for you, you can also add another reminder by just clicking on plus reminder rule, and then adding your subject in, your email body, and whatever the text should be, and then you just click on save, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Now if you are sending invoices after a service is completed, your customers will get an automated reminder if they don't pay on time. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you need help setting your emails up or your Yardbook up, optimize it for getting payments on time, optimize it for getting estimates approvals on time. You can do this for estimate approvals too, by the way, because you can set up automated emails to follow up with your customers if they haven't responded to an estimate, by the way. So yeah, if you want to get help with these things, we would be happy to set them up for you at the Green Helpers. We offer this service for Quiet Lawn, and we are happy to do it for you as well. Please let me know in the comments section down below if you're interested, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.